the torture murder case being heard in Chemung County Court is now in its 7th day, and one of the 4 men involved in the case, who has already pleaded guilty to second-degree murder, testified today about what happened that night in 2021.
And it was a gruesome crime, and we do want to warn you that much of the testimony heard today was pretty graphic. WENY's Lindsay Madison has been following that trial, and she joins us live in Elmira to break it down. Lindsay.
Nick and Renata, Thomas Bovaird testified about what he remembered from the night of January 29th and 30th, 2021. Bovaird recounted for the jury what he says happened to the victim, Juan Jose Gote, up until Bovaird left.
Bovaird says he got a text from Malik Weems the night of January 29th saying there was an emergency. After Bovaird pulls up to the house on Partridge Street in Elmira, he says Eddie Marte wanted him to help move Gote's body, which was in the basement of a home on Broadway Street. Bovaird said he agreed to help move Gote, who was tied up, and so Malik Weems and Kevon Sanders, the other 2 co-defendants in the case, took Gote and put him in Bovaird's trunk. Bovaird then says he drove to a house on West Ave where Weems and Sanders brought Gote into the kitchen. Bovaird says once Gote was on the floor, Marte told the 3 others to kick and punch Gote. Bovaird says Marte directed Weems to cut off the victim's clothes, and then Marte and Weems used a small blowtorch lighter to burn Gote. Bovaird also claimed Marte and Weems beat Gote in the face with a metal pipe. Bovaird testified that at gunpoint, Marte ordered them to cut out Gote's tongue and mutilate other parts of his body. The district attorney also showed a video, allegedly taken by Weems, showing Gote naked with his arms being tied behind his back. After that, Bovaird said Marte and Weems allowed him to leave the scene. The defense attorneys went back and forth with Bovaird talking about how he lied in his May 2021 sworn statement. After cross-examination, the prosecution rested today.
Now happening tomorrow, the court will look at if the defense has any evidence to present and if Marte will testify. Reporting live from Elmira, Lindsay Madison, WENY News.